Welcome to the first video of unboxing video for MakerBox from Box Mountain. You can go to makerbox.me or boxmountain.com. The first product from MakerBox is the Easy, and you can see you'll get a label like that has all the printing specs and information from the manufacturer. And the Easy and the PETG box are basically 4 colors from one manufacturer, and every month we cycle through the manufacturers so that you can develop a palette of that one particular product. Now this is the Explorer box where your 4 samples are packaged individually. This one's from TerraFilm, and you'll get a technical filament, an easy to print filament, something exotic, that kind of stuff. It's more to explore the different ones. This one is from Capricorn, and it is a translucent blue with glitter, which is always fun. And you can also go to our website and order back samples if you want a second sample of something. This one's from Push Plastics. And again, the label will tell you what you need to know. That's a silver metallic. And then the 4th from the Explorer box is a PETG from Village Plastics, Edge Glow. That's a pretty intense color. And then on to the last product we have is from MakerBox is the PETG box. This one is from Filament PM. And again, like the Easy box, it's all Filament PM this month, and it's 4 different colors of their product to give you a good range. And the next month it'll be a different manufacturer, next month it'll be another manufacturer, and we will cycle back to Filament PM eventually, but this way you can get a good palette, decide whether you like one person's green over another one's. So thank you for this, and we will hopefully be making many more of these. And for our other products like Cryptic Crate and Pips Mountain.